Hey guys, Constant Upgrade here, and today I'm going to show you how to make procedural vases. So first we're going to start off with a Bezier curve, and we're going to put that in the upright position here. And then I want to separate this actual curve here from the origin point. So we're going to go into edit mode, grab both of the vertices here, and then grab it, move it on the Y axis, like so. And then we're going to grab this bottom vertex here, extrude it out until it's just at about the center. It doesn't really need to be exact, but pretty close. And then I want to select these bottom two vertices, hit V, and then set these to free handle type. Now I just want to take the vertex right here, turn on vertices snapping here, and then bring it down until it merges with the center point here. And then I want to do the same thing with this bottom one here. Bring that up, snap it there. And then I just want to grab this bottom handle here and then grab it until it also snaps there. So now we have this sort of curve contour here that's going to be our vase. So we can go to add modifier, screw, and then put this on the x-axis. So now we have our vase. To make it more vase-like though, we can add a solidify modifier. Bring that up a little bit. That looks good. And then we can add a subdivision surface modifier. And then we have our vase. If you see this little nub here, what you can do is go into your modifiers again and then just merge vertices here. That's why it doesn't matter if you get exactly on the z-axis, because it'll merge based on a merge distance here. So yeah, there you go. If you want to change the shape of the vase, you just go back into edit mode, and then you just move these curves around, and it becomes pretty much any vase that you want. If you want more geometry, just select these 2 points here and hit W to bring up the curve context menu, and then subdivide it. And then you can subdivide it as many times as you want, and then move these curves in 3D space, and you get a different shape of vase. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Leave any comments or questions below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.